Today, we're exploring the journey of Elvita Adams, the woman who became a permanent fixture of New York City lore after surviving what should have been a fatal plunge from the Empire State Building in 1979. Known as the woman who the wind blew back, Adams became a symbol of incredible survival when a powerful gust of wind caught her body mid-air and pushed her onto a 2-foot ledge just 1 floor below. So, where is Elvita Adams now? Let's find out. For decades, the story of Elvita Adams has been shrouded in mystery, with many wondering if she ever found the peace she was seeking on that windy night in December. Following her rescue from the 85th floor ledge by security guards, she was hospitalized for a fractured hip and received psychiatric care. In the years that followed, she largely retreated from the public eye, avoiding the media circus that often surrounds survivors of such high-profile events. Her story saw a massive resurgence in 2024 and 2025 as digital historians and miracle enthusiasts rediscovered her case on social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube. While her survival remains one of the most famous anomalies in the history of the Empire State Building, official records regarding her life after 1979 have remained incredibly scarce. This lack of information led to various urban legends, including rumors that she had moved abroad or passed away shortly after. However, research conducted by journalists and genealogists during the 45th anniversary of her jump in late 2024 provided the most definitive update on her status in over a generation. Where is Elvita Adams now? As of now, Elvita Adams is believed to be living a quiet, private life in the New York metropolitan area. Now approximately 71 years old, she has successfully maintained her anonymity, having never given a follow-up interview or sought to monetize her fame. Records indicate that after her recovery, she focused on her health and her family, choosing to leave the miracle of the 86th floor observatory in her past. Professionally, Adams never re-entered the public sphere, and no records suggest she pursued any further notoriety. In early 2026, her story continues to be used by psychologists and physics researchers to study the canyon effect of New York City winds and the psychological resilience of survivors. While she is not active on social media or in the news, her legacy as the woman who defied gravity remains one of the most enduring mysteries of the Manhattan skyline. Elvita Adams has transformed from a desperate young woman into a silent legend of survival. While she has chosen to stay out of the neat little box of media fame, she continues to prove that sometimes the universe gives us a second chance when we least expect it. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite stars and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.